Hello everybody, welcome back. Today in this video I wanted to talk to you guys and show you all my 1 year trunk growth on my windmill palm to show y'all maybe what y'all can expect within the first year of planting your windmill palm, and just to see if it's growing the way it's supposed to grow, and let's see how much it's grown. It's, for my personal opinion, I think it's almost doubled in size since when I first got it a year ago. So I'm excited to show you guys the before and after of when I first planted it last May versus this May. It looks completely different. So I first wanted to show y'all the original palm when I first got it, and this petiole right here, that was the center spear that was coming out when I originally got it. So all of that new growth from about here upwards, that's brand new palm tree, or palm trunk I should say. So you definitely got a couple inches on there. And then when it comes to the thickness, I've really never seen a palm tree thicken that fast. I'll show you again something a little closer so you can see the before and after, but it's definitely plenty thicker than what it was when I first got it. Additionally, I wanted to talk to you guys about how many new fronds have opened up. Last summer, I had maybe about 5 solid fronds open up, and the 6th one has started to erupt, but as winter came up, it's just kind of halted itself. But this was the 6th one that was coming out, and this is the brand new 7th one that appeared this spring. This is its 3rd one that's coming out. It's a huge center spear, one of the largest that I've seen on this windmill palm. It's about the same size as the trunk, maybe if not larger, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, and then we have one more coming in, and if I separate this, you can see another one all the way down there in the center. So it's ready to grow quick and fast this summer. I'm excited to see where it takes us, but quite a lot of new growth, and I think this summer we'll see it really explode. But thank you all so much for watching and seeing the before and after, and I'll catch y'all around next time. Bye bye.